Welcome to Geeks 4x4, the most budget-friendly 4x4 channel in all the YouTubes. And you can see the Jeep behind me. A little hot today though, so we're not actually going to be driving the Jeep around or playing with the Jeep today. We are going to be working on the boat. I know the camera's going to whitewash showing the boat, but we're not going to work on it even, because it's going to be like 110 today in Central Washington, and we are going to go out on the lake. Somebody had asked last year for a video of kind of what I do to prep for the lake and putting it in the water, so we're going to do that. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Let's get straight to that video. Alrighty, so when we get to the water with the boat here, I wanted to do this from home first of all. I don't want to back up the ramp. I'm sure it's going to be busy today. But I'm going to do this quick little thing. We might get a little bit of film when we back down the ramp, but really it's not that exciting. So I get to the ramp and I grab the plug. So I always remember to try and do the plug first. And I throw the plug in the back of the boat first at the ramp. Then I unstrap the rear. This is the rear strap, which is a little loose. Then I come up to the front. And I break this strap free. And I even pull the safety out, because when I put it in the water, I back it in and I just let the boat float off. So we back it down a little ways. But yeah, pretty much simple as that, putting it in. Once I get it in the water, I drop the outdrive, and then I start it and get it running. So yeah, obviously first processes are important. Make sure you always have your plug in. Make sure to detach everything, depending on how you're doing it. If you're by yourself, you're not going to want to detach the front. Well, the other thing I do is I pull the lights on the truck, if I can remember. I unplug the trailer lights so that when they get submerged, we don't have any shorts or anything like that. So yeah, other than that, boat's ready to go. We're going to go to the water. We'll see you there. have it. That is what I do to get the old Aristocraft ready to go in the lake and putting it down the ramp. Hopefully that footage came out good. I'm just shooting this outro. It is the next day, as you can probably tell. I'm wearing a different shirt, and I'm a little more tan from hanging out on the lake yesterday, and a little sunburned. You know how that works. I know this isn't our normal material here, but I had gotten asked for this last year when I made a revamp meme video on the boat. If you want to check that out, it's right up there. This is another budget thing, so it kind of fits into my channel. I paid $350 for this boat a couple of years ago, and just been kind of working on it. So one last thing I wanted to say, when I get home, the first thing I do is put the cover back on. I got this cover from Amazon, and I am trying to keep the inside out of the sun, trying to keep it shaded and stuff like that. A lot of guys around here leave their boats uncovered for the summer, but it took me a long time to get the interior at a decent shape, so I'm covering it up every time. So link's going to be down below to this cover. This fits an Aristocraft 19 with the hard top really well. I'll show you the back corner here. This is kind of the weird. So it kind of comes around the back like that. I've got a little swim deck off the back, but it works pretty good. And then around in the front, I mean, it works great. Over the top, I've got the elastic all the way around, pretty much able to be tied down. So anyway, link to this cover is going to be down below if you've got an Aristocraft. I think it's a 21-foot cover. The Aristocraft is a 19. So yeah, that's what we got. And we just want to thank you guys for watching today. Don't forget, links down below. You can support us through buying merchandise or buying stuff through the link. And we just really appreciate it. I'll probably put a plug on there too. I might even grab a new plug for myself. I like to put a new plug in this thing every year or so. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you're staying cool. We will see you guys next time.